how to recover your Roblox account if you don't have access to its recovery email or phone number. It's actually very easy. So without further ado, let's start. To recover your Roblox account without email and phone number, you cannot do it here on Roblox app. Instead, we need to open a browser. You can use any browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. In the web address, you need to type roblox.com/support. We are going to contact Roblox support. Here, you may enter your Roblox username, but it's optional. You can just leave it blank. Also, provide your first name. This is also optional. You can just leave this blank. What's important to fill in here is the parent or guardian email address. Enter the email address of your parent. Retype the email address. Roblox support will use this email to contact you. In the device, select what kind of device you're currently using. I'm using an iPhone. On the help category, select a contact or can't login. And the subcategory is forgot password. And finally, we are now going to explain to Roblox support what happened to our Roblox account. Once done, click Continue. Click on Start Puzzle. You're just going to solve a short puzzle. Then click Submit. Roblox support will respond to you within 24 hours through the email of your parent. They will tell you the next step to finally get your account back. If you have questions, just comment down below. I love answering questions.